Congratulations on your memory upgrade purchase. More memory means you'll have more space to process information. This will allow your software to run more efficiently and you to be more productive. Steve and I will show you how easy it is to install your new memory.
The first thing you'll have to do is get out your installation manual. Next, find the installation instructions in your manual. Now we will guide you through the following easy steps. Remove cables and power cords, remove batteries and laptops, remove the cover, how to locate the memory socket, how to insert the memory, replacing the cover, reattaching power cables and cords, and how to run configuration.
We'll go through the detailed steps of memory module installation on a desktop computer.
First, make sure you have your tools, a Phillips and a flathead screwdriver.
Then we'll show you how to remove the covers and locate the memory sockets on various other types of desktop computers, laptops, notebooks, and laser printers.
We will begin by installing 2 megabytes of memory. First, you need to remove the power cords and all other cables. Next, remove the screws which hold the cover in place. Slide the cover off. Before handling the memory modules, touch the metal chassis of the computer to discharge any static electricity that may have accumulated in your body. Locate the memory sockets. Check to see the amount of memory you currently have installed and where you need to add the additional memory. Systems come configured with different amounts of memory. Some cases you may have to remove lower density 256K by 9 modules to make room for higher density 1 meg by 9 or 4 meg by 9 modules. We are adding 2 megabytes to this system to bring the total memory up to 4 megabytes. In this instance, we already have 2 1 meg by 9 modules in the first 2 sockets, and the rest are empty. Check the chart in the manual to see where we need to add the memory. Insert the module into the socket at an angle and snap it into place. Once the memory has been installed, replace the cover and reconnect the cables. Once all the memory has been installed, power up the computer and follow the instructions on the screen to run the setup utility. Verify that the proper amount of memory has been installed and save your configuration. After removing the screws, lift the cover. We are adding 4 megabytes to this system to bring the total memory up to 8 megabytes. The memory compartment on this desktop is located behind the front cover plate. The memory module is inserted into the center slot. The memory compartment for this laptop is hidden underneath the keyboard. The memory for this laptop requires a special memory chip called a ZIP. The chip has a small dot located on the printed side of the chip which identifies the proper orientation. The chip must be inserted into the socket with the dot closest to the screen. Adding memory to this laptop only requires removing the cover to the memory compartment. This module has pins on the bottom which need to be plugged into the connector. The memory compartment for this notebook is located on the right-hand side, right next to the floppy disk drive. Slide off the cover to the memory compartment. Insert the memory card into the slot and push it into the connector. The memory compartment for this laser printer is located on a tray underneath the printer. After loosening the 2 screws, pull the tray out about 3 inches. At this point, the 4 cables need to be detached from the tray so the tray can be pulled out further. Pull the tray out another 3 inches. The memory socket is located in the center of the tray. The memory board has a notch in the connector for proper orientation. The memory compartment for this laser printer is located on the back left-hand side. Insert the memory board at an angle with the connector facing the top. Once the memory board is inserted, slide it into the connector on the left. The memory compartment for this laser printer is located at the rear of the printer. Loosen the screws and open the rear cover plate. After removing the 3 screws, remove the interior cover plate. Insert the memory board into the top right memory slot and push firmly into the connector. The memory compartment for this laser printer is located on the left-hand side. Insert the memory board into the right-hand compartment and push firmly into place.
See how easy it was to install your memory?
But if you have any questions, we have an 800 number you can call for technical assistance on your memory installation.